What's up, guys? This is Joe Samo in San Diego. It might be a little loud here today because my wife and kids and everyone is at home, and I'm at home because of everything going on. And I want to offer you folks some advice and some guidance about how to navigate during these crazy times. And this is advice that got me through UCLA and then graduate school at UC Berkeley. This is things that I did when I was going through school and had to take difficult exams growing up and things like that. Well, the first order of business, obviously, stay home as much as you can and watch out for your family. Be really careful in that regard. And then what you can do is, and this is advice I got from The Art of War by Sun Tzu. When I was at UCLA, I was a political science major. So as a political science major, we would read these military history books and things like that. Anyway, what Sun Tzu said in The Art of War, things like, when your enemy is taking it easy, when they're preoccupied, that is your opportunity to move in. When the enemy gives you an opening, all right, as soon as you have that opening, you go in. And these are things that I used to apply to academics and now to the business world and things like that. And what you could think about goes like this. It's pretty simple. A lot of people who are competing with you and taking the SAT or the GMAT or the GRE, other math classes, things like that. Obviously, everyone in the world is very preoccupied. Everyone's nervous about what's going on. So my recommendation, stay at home, be healthy, right? And use that time to crush it on the GMAT or the SAT or the ACT and all those fun exams. This is the time, because then when everything kind of calms down later, if you end up being able to get in there and just kick butt on your exams, when all these other people are kind of preoccupied and whatnot and not doing their college applications, then when everything calms down, it'll all be for the taking for you, okay? So this is advice from 2,500 years ago that still applies today. So just do it, just hit the books and start right now. What I recommend is this video. Just do this video right now, or this video, okay? Either one, all right? Just keep kicking butt. That's the goal. Just keep kicking butt, and let me know how you're doing.